So what is the theory of change that is behind activity with which we take families through the Now&next program using strength-based tools such as Pictability, and the theory of change that will support the kind of impact that we want to create? When we look at the theory of change, we see that at its base it's got evidence that we start from, which is positive psychology, post-traumatic growth. So these are the theories from which we onto which we built the theory of change that we're using, and then we will have a look at all the other stages until we get to the top, which is more family participation. This is the perfect setting to explain the next stage of our theory of change. We have three elements in this vista. On the right hand side, a bunch of trees who are growing all the time. In the middle, snow-peaked mountain, and on the left hand side, another mountain. So looking now again at the theory of change from the perspective of the three columns that I mentioned before. On the right-hand side, we see the progression of the families as participants who do the Now&next program and who move on to other family workshops. And to create, if we move upwards on the right-hand side, they create a network of alumni and carry on interacting together and learning together. The middle column is called the family peer leaders as peer workers, and this is the opportunity for us to develop family leadership further and train those participants to do the Now&next program, facilitate and develop a peer workforce. On the left-hand side, we have the intervention professionals who we teach Pictability, and we give them the experience of Now&next and Pictability and some professional developments. And then further on, moving upwards, they move into a community of practice. And all these three culminate in order to sustain this effort, as it says in the left column. These all develop collective benefit mindset, meaning that they all start to think how they develop their well-being as a group and how they contribute back to their community. The evaluation is quantitative, qualitative, as mentioned before, and all of these contribute to demonstrating the outcome and building family capability through participation. If you want more information on this, stop this video, point your camera at this QR code, and it will take you to the following website. This website describes more in detail the information that I've given you now, and talks about each examples and provides videos for each one of the examples and each one of the boxes that are in the theory of change. Moreover, when you look at this graphic, you will see that there's some numbers. For instance, peer workforce in the middle is number 10. And so these white numbers in the bottom of the boxes here represent publications that we've already done. And if you scroll down on this website, you will see these publications if you want to dig deeper. In case you were wondering, where did I film this from? I'm in the south of the South Island of New Zealand, in an area called Glenorchy, just near Queenstown, famous for its turquoise blue lakes, where they filmed a lot of The Lord of the Rings. Another great adventure other than Now&next.